In front of me I've got MEIZU M8. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Pay. Firstly, enter Google Pay app, tap passes and tap on this blue button. Now tap on loyalty program and select shop you want to add your loyalty card to, for example IKEA Poland. Tap on allow and scan your card or enter details manually. Then tap save. Let's go back. And now let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. Select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.